Hello. Okay, assemble na tayo ng loaded breakfast. Yung niluto kanina. Okay. Unahin natin tong tomato. Galing sa oven to. Mainit. Galing sa oven. Ayan. Dalawang tomato na parang inihaw. Isang panggulisa. And mushroom. Tatabi lang natin yung mushroom kasi yung egg 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 dalawang egg crunchy yung egg niya malutong. Ayan. Yung egg and then hash brown here. Yeah. Then bacon. Yep. And then pepper. And salt. Garlic. Garlic. At least merong green. Yan. Tapos na. Yan ang ating loaded breakfast. Loaded breakfast. Yan. Loaded breakfast. Bacon, mushroom, sausage, hash brown, egg, tomato. 6 pieces. Alright.